You know, as children of the Most High, we come to realize that the love that we seek in this life, we have to first become that love to have it reflected back to us as our reality. We also come to see that the peace that we seek comes from within us, and it's from that deeply meditative place in which we dwell, understanding that it's the quiet before the storm. Jah Love. They held the wheels, miss it, while we were sleeping. Now Babylon, I tremble what they are witnessing. In the awakening, we are combusting, blazing a trail, say Babylon to be burning. Hey, yeah, blazing a trail, say Babylon to be burning. Hey, cause one by one precious souls are rising. Hey. Ay, and we are rising straight into God's training. Ay, ay, and then when me say we are do conquer the captors in this year reawakening. Hey, we diligent, we discipline, we hard working. Conquer the captors in this year reawakening. Hey, we diligent, we discipline, we hard working. Time for man up and soldier through all the training. Ay, women, time for man up and soldier through all the training. So through the storm we push through like champions, and dark of the night say we be trotting, and through the fire we be stomping. Cause in God's son we be burning. Soul to soul you want the Most High intensely raving. Yo, Rasta militants must remain vigilant. Hey, Rasta militants must remain vigilant. Rasta militant, cause what we do. Me say, conquer the captors in this reawakening. We diligent, we discipline, we hard working. Conquer the captors in this reawakening. We diligent, we discipline, we hard work. Yeah, we all share one vibrant history. See Mama Africa, the start of humanity. Watch Ethiopia in her maternity, birthing the righteous, the pure heart, the saintly, birthing magicians, cause still tied to God strongly. From the same source we all explored becoming worldly. Now God's children disperse totally globally. Say God's children disperse totally globally. Hey, time for the gathering, the gathering, the gathering. Time for the gathering, the gathering, the gathering. Time for the gathering, the gathering, the gathering. Boy, the mighty love of this extended family. That sweet, scrumptious energy, vibrations of pure positivity. In the tradition of Professor Bob Marley, our guide, motivator, the father, you see, still Babylon to be a burning. So chant those verses, share that fire you emitting. Create the songs of the redeeming. Cause see they held the wheels while we were sleeping. Now Babylon I tremble what they are witnessing. Cause one by one precious souls are rising, and we are rising straight into God's training. Know thyself, know thyself. We are in God's hands, are remolding, are remembering. We're in God's hands, are reprogramming to bravery. We're in God's hands, letting go of time away extinct. We're in God's hands, in Jah plans. Know thyself, know thyself. Cause see they held the wheels while we were sleeping. Now Babylon I tremble what they are witnessing. When me say, one by one precious souls are rising. And we are rising straight into God's training. Then conquer the captors in this reawakening. We diligent, we discipline, we hard working. Know thyself, know thyself, know thyself. Cause see me, I got them balls of steel. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, they know the deal. So evident when they come sniffing at my heels, trying to intimidate, wanna Jah picnic. Well, this warrior empress don't scare too easily. I got that chromosome within me for bravery. Ha ha, growing stronger with each challenge I meet. It's true, righteously return the other cheek. But sometimes I burn that fire blazing it for real. Purify the iniquity in my vicinity. Cause we are, when me say we are do. Conquer the captors in our this reawakening. We diligent, we discipline, we hardworking. Conquer the captors in our this reawakening. We diligent, we discipline, we hard. They think anomaly, but simply this is destiny. Been written by the ancients long ago in prophecy. Now off the grid we do road in self-discovery, showing compassion to all those who don't like we. When we learn truth, we acquire now enemies. Just read a psalm, keep that smile when they show envy. Cause see, they held the wheels while we were sleeping. Hey, now Babylon I tremble what they are witnessing. One by one precious souls are rising. And we are rising straight into God's training. Now is the time taking the wheel, we be driving. When me say, now is the time taking the wheel, we be driving. Cause I conquer the captors in a this reawakening. We diligent, we discipline, we hardworking. Conquer the captors in a this reawakening. We diligent, we discipline, we hardworking. Time for man up and soldier through all the training. Time for man up and soldier through all the praises be unto the Most High, His Imperial Majesty, Emperor Haile Selassie to the first, Jah Rastafari, Jah Love. Conquer the captors in a this reawakening. Conquer the captors in a this reawakening. Conquer the captors in a shh. Conquer the captors in a this reawakening. Conquer the shh. Jah Love. Conquer the captors in a You know, as children of the Most High, we come to realize that the love that we seek in this life, we have to first become that love to have it reflected back to us as our reality.